Okay. Benny? Benny? We made it to North 40 or 40 North Alpacas. And that is in Kansas. Where, Kansas?
Osborne.
Oh, near Osborne, Kansas. And Benny's gonna get in trouble. Yes, he is. And he's all tangled up. Here's Luna. This is Luna, right? And that is
Mabel.
And that over there is Mabel. Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Get your face. I have some for you. Here.
She's a little bit older. She's going to give him this.
That was great.
You want to take one right over there for him?
The dogs
Oh, the dogs are freaking out.
Yeah.
Well, I thought maybe you put them away because they quit barking, so I didn't know.
Well, he may have. You are beautiful, Mabel. Yes, you are. Well, good morning from Circles Country Store. And the hosts for this store is Tom and Barbara. And they are wonderful people. This is a beautiful store. If you happen to be going on Highway 400 through Kansas, you might want to stop here. And there it is. And our beautiful host, she just put out her flags. Old-fashioned fudge. They have ice cream, candy, gifts, homemade pies. And it really is a beautiful country store. I'll take you in. I have to ask if it's all right, but I'm sure they won't mind. And this is their beautiful store. They have everything from cooked meats, take and bake dinners in this fridge. It's really stocked. And about 11 years ago they started this store. And of course they have the homegrown pecans. But I mean, this is cute. Pumpkin Farm, open daily. Vintage pails, how adorable. Love the shoes. Like I said, they have everything here. But yeah, they have everything. Popcorn, chips, anything you need, they got it. This was adorable. I thought that was cute. Beautiful welcome. There's an old gentleman who is a vet, retired, and he makes all of these beautiful tables and carvings. Clothing. I'll show you some of the pieces that they show for him and sell for him. But yeah, I mean, it's unbelievable. When I walked in here, look at pecans, unbelievable. And that's not everything though, look. I walked in here and they have a complete dining room. Cute, huh? They've got everything you can imagine, right down to the big screen TV. And this picture behind the cache is their orchard. How many miles down the road is that? About 1.5 miles, 2 miles down the road is this beautiful orchard. And thank you, Barbara and Tom, for allowing us to stay here. Well, we have decided to stay for 3 or 4 nights at the Ala Capri Casino in Lula, Mississippi. And it is beautiful here. Gotta love this. Our rest stop for the night is in, where are we?
Alabama.
In Alabama. Oh, I'm so tired. But it's a real nice rest area. It's a nice rest stop. They got doggy areas everywhere, and but it's really nice here. Warm, but nice.
Yeah, they said males and females are ready.
Oh, that's possible. I don't remember.
I never thought the females were ready.
We are getting some rain tonight. We're at Seven Oaks RV Park in Hudson, Florida, and we are getting a good downpour that we needed badly. Have my candle going. What do you think of all this rain, dear?
I like it.
He likes it. It's a nice park. And we're loving the rain. We spent a lot of time in the desert this season, and it's nice to see. But we still have a pretty nice sunset, even with the rain. Don't see a rainbow yet, but I hope all you are having a wonderful evening. Good night from Florida.